What it do, channel? Denzelifornia, no intro shawty. Back at it with another installation video. I'm gonna put charger right here, and this is the paper I'm gonna do it with. We just gonna get straight to it. It's gonna be a quick installation video. It's gonna be this. So then when I turn on my car, you'll see it bright right here, and I'm gonna put it smack in the middle. As you know, it comes with this. This is what goes on the car. Business card, grid ready, no advertisement, but that's them if you want to fuck with it. It's on Amazon. Come with a squeegee and instructions, because you know black people don't read, so I gotta for surely read this so I don't fuck up. And a microfiber cloth. We gonna read the instructions first. Alright, so tape is recommended, blah blah blah. Don't care about that. Unroll the decal, let it rest for a little bit. Mind you, it already came a little bent, as you can see if I hold it up straight. You see a little bit. Wrap the squeegee in the microfiber towel, squeegee, and flatten the decal. Putting it in here, I'm gonna do it like that. I'm actually gonna flatten it on my car. Alright, so we flatten that. Clean the racetrack tail light with alcohol-based cleaner. Make sure it's waxed. Make sure it's waxed and dirt-free, and dry with the microfiber towel. So, I don't have regular alcohol swabs, so I'm just gonna use some Seabreeze. They got alcohol in it, so that's how we're gonna do it there. I'm pouring a little towel because I don't have two microfiber towels. I only got one, the one that came with it. So we're just gonna use this. Get a little bit. Make sure it's nice and damp. All right. Get nice and clean. I'm going to dry it with this microfiber towel. Focus. Wait, it ain't even focused on me. Dry it off. Yeah, I'm sweating because it's hot and I'm fat. My hair is in my face. So the next step after cleaning it is peel the first half of the decal and the transfer tape from the white backing and make sure the white backing paper doesn't stick to the decal. It's pretty common sense. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same way I did all my other decals. Yes, I did all my decals. And my dad helped me with the racing tracks. These instructions are telling me to cut it. The fuck, why would I cut it? See, it's saying cut. We not cutting that. We're just gonna put it on there as is. Came with an air bubble. Shit's tripping. So I gotta peel it and make sure it stays on this white backing. Alright. Should be good, should be good. Alright, bet. You see me freeze because I just remember how I did my other decals. I use soapy water, so wherever I put it, I can move it around. But then I gotta go get my sister's blow dryer because I don't know where my heat gun is. I think it's at my dad's house, but I can't find it. So we just gonna put it on there, and however it come up, that's how it's gonna stay. So we're just gonna apply it. Make sure you can see. Apply it. I would want it right there in the middle. As long as no red is showing, we should be good with that. So it's not sticking on all the way. Not at all. I'm just gonna make sure. Alright. Because once I put it on, that's it. Oh, the A's already sticking. So we gotta put it on there. We're just gonna live with it however it comes out. Probably stick that part on. I'm bugging. I'm thinking it's like more dimensional, but it may be a little uneven. Just a wee bit. Let's see if I can pull it down some. It's gonna be a little red. It's hard to see with this glare. But it's on. It's on there. Squeegee. Just gonna make sure it's on there all the way. We should be Gucci. This is a better view of what it looks like. And now, just to take the tape off. Slowly. See a little bit of bubbles, just a wee bit. There you have it. As you see, charger. So now it's on. I got 6 minutes. So now I put it on and I'm gonna turn on my car so you can see how it looks. But I'm gonna turn off all these lights though and watch how hard it looks. It ain't perfect, but I'ma fix it. As you see, I already blacked out my lights too. Thank y'all for watching another do-it-yourself video with Denzelifornia. I'm Denzel. You can call me Huggy, Denzel, whatever you want to call me. But thank y'all for watching. Until next time. And I am gonna fix this little part. Other than that, thank y'all. Peace out. Definitely turning you down because I'm walking in front of my camera.